No, video. Just
This isn't going anywhere. I can't put him anywhere.
I need that fucking video.
Yeah, well.
Give me your fucking. Let me take your camera with me.
Yeah, no, not happening. It's
No,
not. No, I'll give you another memory card.
Huh?
I'll give you another memory card.
Okay, cause I
Say
need to go
something.
or print some pictures.
Little pussy ass Victor over there. I don't know that kid's name, but he's playing. Oh, he's playing on the keyboard. And his name is Eric. And that's Jossie.
Why are you hiding from the camera?
And this right here, little ticklish asshole. Right there, that's pulling his wedgie out of his ass.
Whose size fucking pants do you wear?
That's Joe.
Huh? What size pants do you wear? Seriously.
I wear.
That's Joe.
Wow, you're fucking skinny.
Okay, and that's Molly.
Fat ass fucking Molly.
Yeah, whatever. And that's... Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't need an introduction from me.
You need a fucking insane. Oh my god.
This cat not go on YouTube now because of cussing.
You're not cussing.
Well,
Please, there's worse things on YouTube. Trust me. I've
yeah,
seen them.
me.
No, oh my god. I have to show you this fucking video. This is the homeboy and his girl and the other homeboy, right? They're fucking dancing to, what's that song?
Oh, you told me about it more like...
They're fucking like gymnastics,
Yeah.
fucking. Oh my god.
What are you laughing about? What did you do, Victor? What happened?
I don't know.
What happened? Why are you laughing? And why are you so quiet? Why aren't you drinking?
You don't drink.
How old are you?
14.
That's probably why he's not drinking.
He likes 25.
How old are you?
17.
Really?
And you?
I'm 12.
That makes two of us. I'm 12 too. I'm pissed off.
Why?
Because Monkey didn't text me back and
Did you check the phone? Because you can't hear it all the way over there.
No, I didn't. Shut up. I didn't see if my mom texted me back either. Nope. Monkeys in Crackland. Oh, I'm so fat.
Or you did make this just a tad bit strong. You're trying to get me fucked up.
Yes.
Trying to take advantage of me.
I'm gonna take advantage of everybody here tonight.
Except for me. Hard to get.
What's behind the curtain?
I need some clothes, Victor.
What's behind the curtain?
I need
Just a wall.
sweat. I don't. What? These karate pants.
Do some karate for me. Do some karate for me. Victor, do some karate for me. Karate. Do some karate for me, Joe.
Why'd you change your shirt?
Because this one's better.
It looks burning.
Does not look.
It's all silky
Oh, it's a
inside.
silk. Oh, that's why. It looks like it was like a burning press shirt.
This is the most boring party I've ever been to in my entire life.
I'm actually feeling kind of good right now.
Oh my stomach is so weird.
My stomach's off. Yeah.
Here, dear.
Ow, that's just like. It feels like you're pulling my stomach.
Pulling what?
You pinched my skin. No, I didn't. Just. Go ahead.
take up too much fucking battery.
My other batteries are charging right now.
Huh?
That's my other batteries are charging right now. This is a little lame ass sleeping over there.
I'm gonna bust that motherfucker.
Do it, I will kill you.
Go a little bit higher.
You're only be touching my knee.
So I said go a little bit higher.
Ow!
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're not.
I am
That hurt.
truly deeply sorry.
No, you're not.
I am.
No, you're not.
I was.
Exactly. Should we just kiss and make up already? God. We fight worse than we do. Wait a minute, we don't fight.
I don't fight. I love.
Right.
No, see this.
What?
That blanket's nasty.
Ew, you put it right me. Don't, that's gross.
Just kidding. That was like random.